this pink ribbon off my eyes. I'm exposed and it's no big surprise. Don't you think I know exactly